Hit that. There he is. I don't think that's the same fish I caught the other day. There he goes. No, it's not. I think he's gut hooked. That's not the same fish. Smaller, but he's fighting good. He's got a small bass, but he's fighting good because he's gut hooked. Not he's gut hooked. Not gut hooked, but he's hooked. He nailed it. There we go. Nice 2.5 pound bass. Gas. That guy. Nice 16-incher. Gut hooked him. He wasn't gut hooked. You see, his gullet, they feel a lot heavier when like that. I just missed one too, just before this. That was a Germany weight hook set. Come on, get it. Oh, yes. That's a fat bass. Damn, that's a fat one. Nice. Fat bass. Nice fish. Get him back in. Wow. Nice fish. Nice fish. Another nice fish. Man, dude, they are thumping it. Thumping it. Ooh. That's another nice, like a 3-pounder. Nice 3-pounder. It's probably like 2.5, almost 3. Go to 3-pounder. They were active today. Water's definitely warming up. Yes. Nice fish. I didn't get the old town out yet. Nice bass. About, I say about 2.5, probably almost 3, honestly. Get him back in. Nice. On the kayak now. Nice bass. Finally, I haven't got anything at this spot at all this year. You know, if you watch my past videos, this is a really good spot. Alright, he's done. Come on, buddy. I ain't giving up. There we go. Nice bat. Oh, nice one, Sale. This was so. Ooh. Get back in quick, guys. I don't want to go in there. There might be more. Damn, this thing hit. Is that a pike or a bass? It's a bass, man. These things are freaking whacking it like no other. Holy Christ. They're freaking hitting it. Come here. I missed just one before this. Wow, he's fat. He's got a 3-pounder. He's so fat. Look at this guy. Fat son of a bitch. Oh. Nice battle, get him back in. Of course our car is coming. Oh. Get him in. Nice battle. Nice keeper at 6. Could have been almost 10 bass already. Last time I caught 4. A nice one though. Miles per hour, I think. Well, this one won't jump off. It's like, can't get a freaking break. Losing fish. Oh shit. This is a nice fish. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Oh my god, is that the same freaking fish? Holy shit. Whoa. Wow. That's a big fish. Holy shit. That's a big fish. Oh my god, he's barely. Is this the same fish I lost? I think it is, honestly. Wow. I'm gonna get him on a stringer. Don't worry, I'm gonna release him, but this lake's gonna be drained. Damn. Oh, got my bass on a string, man. We might have 2 big fish on a stringer. Don't pop off. Don't pop off. Oh, that's a walleye. I seen it. Fucking. Oh my god. Ooh. Oh my God, my second biggest walleye. Shit. Whoa. This is a big walleye. It's probably about a 6-pound walleye. He is heavy. Wow, look at this fish. That's a big walleye. I'm gonna get in there, man. 2 fish, only 2 fish on the stringer, guys. I'm gonna relocate that bass because you want to drain this place. So I don't want him. I think I'm gonna relocate him. Oh my God, dude, that's like a 24 and 25-inch walleye. Wow, that's a big fish. Big fish. Oh, that was another big fish. Another nice bass. Man, I lost some nice fish, but I got some giants today. Get them back in real quick. Oh, nice freaking 15-inch or whatever the hell. Hey, the boat. Holy shit. Find like a freaking smallmouth. Damn. Holy shit. That's a nice freaking bass. A nice bass. Here. Damn, man, I thought he was bigger than that. Oh, nice bass. Another nice one. Oh, yeah. Nice bass. Man, it sucks to drain this lake. I'm so sad, honestly. Nice bass. Nice bass. Get him back in. Oh. Wow, what a great day it was. I missed a lot of nice fish. I missed 3 pike. Oh, how big were they? I don't know. They could be 12 inches to 45 inches. I lost a nice bass, really pissed me off. I missed another very, very big fish. Very big. I think it might have been our walleye, but hey, we got a trophy walleye and our trophy bass. We're gonna relocate them both to lakes that I know. Actually, the one bass is going to the private pond. Walleye is going to this one lake that's not far from here. So we'll put them there, and yeah, hopefully they'll live for a while. Hopefully the walleye might get kept, but I don't know. I just want to relocate them. It doesn't really get fished hard, this one lake, at all. Like, I'm like one of the only people that fish it, honestly. So probably not really too much. So, alright guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, please subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.